Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mental ability questions for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start. Direction. Question number 1 to 5. Question figure is followed by 4 alternatives figure, out of which of the figure from A, B, C and D can be formed from the pieces of given question figure. 1. If we closely watch the question figure, there is 4 pieces of paper and there is a triangle and 2 equal shape. So if we closely watch the each of the answer figure, here we find that none of B, C and D contain a triangle, but in question figure there is a triangle. Only A contain a triangle. So after that we match other figure like this to same, here to same figure like that, and one this type. So it is here. So A is my answer. Coming to the next question. First we closely watch the questions. Here we find 4 triangle. One is large triangle and 2 equal triangle, and one is likely equatorial, not call it perfectly equatorial triangle, but likely a equatorial triangle. If we find that there is 3 same triangle, so and one very large triangle, so A is not answer. Coming to the next question, B. B in answer figure we find 2 triangle, same triangle like that, and one big triangle and one equatorial triangle. So B is likely to be answer. We also check the C and D. Here in C find 2 same triangle, but here 2 also same triangle. So C is not the answer. Coming to the D, there is a quadrilateral, so D is not answer. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next figure, question number 3. Here we find a square and one triangle, 3 triangle. 2 are small and one is larger, like equatorial triangle. If we closely watch figure A, there is a shape like that. There is a shape like that. This shape not in question figure. So A is not the answer. Coming to question figure, answer figure B, here we find a rectangle. In question figure there is no rectangle. So B is also not answer. Coming to the question figure C, here we find one square, one triangle and 2 equal triangles. So C is the right answer. We also check D. Here we find one rectangle. So D is not answer. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question, question number 4. Here we find 3 figure, 2 equatorial triangle and one figure like that. In answer figure A, 1, 2, 3, 4 figures. So A is not answer. Coming to the B, we find 2 equatorial triangle and one this shape like that. So B may be answer. Coming to the check, we check the C. Here we find 2 triangle and also shape like that. In D, we also find 2 equal triangle and one semicircle. So D is not answer to the question figure. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next question, question figure 5. There is a triangle. There is a 3 triangle. One is large and 2 same triangle. If we closely watch that there is 2 triangles, so A is not answer. In B we find two same triangle and one large triangle. So B may be right answer. C, they are same, one large triangle and two same triangle. And D, we find that there is a rectangle, so D is not answer. Question figure B and C, we closely watch that these two triangles are not equal in size. This triangle is slightly smaller than this. Here we find that these two triangles are equal, but here we also find that this is slightly smaller than that. So C is the right answer. Direction, question number 6 to 10. Question figure is followed by 4 answer figure, namely A, B, C and D. Find out the correct answer figure from the given alternative in which question figure is hidden. Question figure. First, if we come here, we have not find any figure like that, but in B we find, if we start from here, we find a figure like that. So B is the right answer. In question number 7, if we closely watch the answer figure, we find this figure in C, closely in C. So C is the right answer. In question number 8, we closely watch this figure, we find from there, here we find the same figure. So A may be my answer, but we also check C, B, C and D. In B there is a glass like symbol and a square, so B is not answer. Here we have not find this type of thing, so C is not answer. In D there is also find same type of figure, but here it is slightly curved, but here it is straight line like that. It is parallel to parallel line, but here it is not. So A is the right answer. Coming to the question number 9, we find figure like that. Here we find have not figure cross the line, so this cannot, A and B cannot be answer. Coming to the next question, C, here we find this straight line, but when we come this way, this figure is large from that figure. But if we coming to the question answer figure D, we find there is a straight line, and we also find here figure like that. So D is the answer. In question number 10, find there is a straight line, after that one straight line up and one downward. If we find there is no straight line like that, one straight line like that, but we have not find this type of line. Here in question figure answer figure B, we find one straight line, one up here like that and one downward. So B is the answer. In C we have not find straight line but crossing like that, and D we have not, so B is the answer. Thank you for watching, and friend, if you like my video, press the like button, and if you think that this video is useful for others, then share it to your friend. Thank you for watching.